Hey there, my name is Veronica and I'm a shopkeeper here at the Sills Lower East Side location. And today I'm going to be talking to you about painting your pots. Painting your planters can be a really fun and creative and inexpensive way to give your indoor garden a little update. Or maybe you're just trying to recycle a pot that took a little tumble. Maybe your cat knocked it off your windowsill. Hate when that happens. But don't worry, there's a great way to recycle this and reuse it and make it even more beautiful than before. So before you start, you're going to want to make sure that you put down some sort of protective cover and then grab some paper towels, something to put your paint on, something to wipe your paint off with. And I also ran to my local art store and I picked up a relatively inexpensive pack of brushes, some of my favorite colors, and I even got some Mod Podge for later. And now you get to be Bob Ross. You get to paint whatever you want. You could do patterns, stripes, polka dots, some Jackson Pollock type stripes, some flowers, maybe even your favorite quote. That little phrase, "grow where you were planted," could look really cute on the side of the planter. Or maybe even some fancy script. So yeah, I went and put a little moon phase on this planter. I thought it'd be kind of cute given the black. And this is actually a planter that we offer here at the Sill. This is the August planter in our blackish gray color. All of our pots are handmade, so it kind of looks nice with the paint that I put on. For this guy, this was a pot that had been broken, and instead of throwing it out, I thought it could be cool to reuse it. So I went ahead and glued it all back together, and after making sure it had been sealed properly, there was going to be no leakage, I went ahead and painted it. And then I even painted some of the cracks too. So instead of hiding all the cracks, I went ahead and highlighted them instead for a fun little almost geode type look. Okay, so this is my finished product, and I think I'm going to put a pretty colorful plant in here, so I thought I would stick with a pretty simple look. That way it speaks more to the plant versus the pot. But yeah, it's super easy, only took a few minutes, and I'm going to let it sit and dry for a couple hours before I put another plant in it. But yeah, that's all you got to do. Thanks for watching.